Wellness tourism, a perfect way to uplift your body, mind, and soul while you enjoy your vacation. Wellness tourism brings physical and spiritual transformation and provides an opportunity for travelers to explore natural and historic places of the region where they can spend a relaxing and wonderful holiday. By opting for something that you have never tried before, for example, yoga, meditation, floating therapy, acupressure, acupuncture, or even Tai Chi, you can make your body and mind feel alive again. No hectic, tiring schedule, but precious moments of relaxation and rejuvenation with physical activities, healthy food, wellness spas, and therapies. People get to meet new people and make new connections while enjoying wellness tourism. Wellness tourism gives native people a chance to interact with different cultures and way of life. Old customs not only attract tourists but also increase the awareness and interest of regional people in their traditional values. Away from Delhi's stressful distractions, they get the opportunity to reboot their lives and internal systems. They can focus more on small personal enhancements that last even when they are back at home. Wellness tourism allows individuals to add more meaning to their trips in more ways than one. These can include slow travel and volunteer travel, which can help these individuals do more than just visiting a location. Wellness is an experience. A lot of wellness retreats offer customized fitness programs that will work in par with your goals in order to help you reach the same in an efficient and hassle-free manner. Wellness vacation can be considered as the best way to enjoy a vacation and return back home all rejuvenated and charged in the process. Several wellness programs aim to eliminate the physical and intangible toxins from an individual's system through the use of relaxation and de-stressing methods. Along with this, wellness center and retreats encourage maintaining a healthy lifestyle through a wholesome nutrition, diet, and fitness related activities. They also emphasize spiritual and mental health, beauty treatments, and healthy sleeping techniques, all in the hope of improving and bettering one's health. No reason why wellness tourism is the fastest growing tourism industry. At this moment, wellness tourism is somewhere around $1 trillion industry. As a wellness, somewhere around $4.3 trillion industry, people are traveling more and more to enjoy wellness tourism. Wellness tourism gives altogether new experiences which not only enjoy the activities of the local destination and culture, but also help you to rejuvenate yourself and help you to become better you.